Those were Morimoto's brand new XB Evo LED headlights for the 2021 to 2023 F-150s, including the Raptor. They are the brightest, most badass headlights that Morimoto sells in their entire lineup of headlights and taillight products. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? It's Joe here with Lethal Performance. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the latest headlights that just dropped from our friends over at Morimoto for the 21 through 2023 F-150s. Well, obviously the headlights aren't in this box here, so let's go ahead, get this out of the way, and get the headlights out on the table and show you guys the latest products from Morimoto. Now that I got them out here on the table, I can tell you all about Morimoto's XB Evo LED headlights for the 2021 through 2023 F-150s, and that is including the Raptor. Since these are the Evo series, that means that they are the brightest, most badass headlights that Morimoto sells in their entire lineup of headlights and taillight products. These feature an all-new tri-beam technology which uses an Ishida Type 1 bi-LED projector, a side-specific low-beam reflector assist, and a high-beam reflector assist for an insane light output that still remains DOT compliant. Now, even though these headlights are already ridiculously bright thanks to that tri-beam technology, Morimoto does offer these Evo headlights with the Supercharged drivers, which can increase the light output up to 50% over what they come with the standard drivers. However, because they are that much brighter, you do lose DOT legality with these Supercharged drivers installed. Another key feature of the Evo headlights is going to be their easy customization thanks to those signal swap keys that come included with each headlight kit. With the super simple to swap signal keys, Morimoto allows you to change your daytime running light color to either white or an amber, as well as change your turn signal function to be a sequential fade off or just a standard blinking turn signal. Like I said, it is super simple. All you have to do to swap out that signal key is, of course, find the harness with the signal key on it, go ahead and press down where the arrow is pointed on the signal key, pulls right out, grab your next signal key, plug it in, and the headlight will automatically start operating in that sequence given the color that you select. We're gonna go ahead and go with the black signal key here because that is going to give us an amber DRL with a sequential turn signal. So now when we install the headlight on the truck, everything's gonna work exactly the way that we want it to. Now for you F-150 owners out there that live in colder climates, the Evo headlights also feature a frost-free system, which essentially, once activated, heats the outside lens of these headlights here, which prevents any frost buildup when you're in cold, snowy, wet conditions. Now, obviously, for you guys that have ever driven in snow, know that the last thing you're gonna want on your truck is a dim headlight or headlights that are completely blocked up with nasty, frosty snow buildup. So that's a really awesome feature to help keep you guys safe on the road. Of course, Morimoto made these headlights completely plug and play regardless of the trim level of your truck and which headlights came on it from the factory. They send out a bunch of different wiring harnesses and adapters to make sure everything plugs in and works on your truck without any fault codes or any issues whatsoever. There is a little bit of wiring that does need to get run to a fuse box on the truck, but Morimoto has crystal clear color instructions to make sure nothing goes wrong in the install process. Now Morimoto does have another version of their XB Evo headlights, which is called the XB Evo Hybrid. Now what the hybrid version is essentially a budget version of their Evo style headlights. You get the same performance, but without some of the fancy features that come on the standard Evo. Now with the hybrid version, you do lose the signal swap keys, which eliminates, of course, your ability to choose what DRL color you want, as well as the turn signal functionality. Essentially the hybrids, you're gonna have that white DRL and just a standard turn signal. You also lose the frost-free system, so for you guys out there in the colder climates, that makes them a little less desirable. So overall, Morimoto's XB Evo and XB Evo Hybrid headlights are going to be some of the best high-quality headlights that you can buy for your F-150 currently out on the market today. On top of quality, they're also going to be one of the brightest headlights that you can possibly get for your F-150 as well, even before you install their Supercharged drivers, which make them even brighter, which is going to be something that we're going to definitely have to test out and show you guys firsthand. Now, just like the rest of Morimoto's products, these are designed, engineered, and tested right here in the United States for the best possible quality that money can buy. And if you're not already convinced, Morimoto does back these headlights with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty just in case of any possible manufacturing defects that could have happened when they got made. But now that you know just about everything about these headlights, let's go ahead and bring them on out to the truck and show you how to get them installed. Now to swap out to those supercharged drivers from the standard ones, all you have to do is, with a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws that hold in the current driver into the headlight housing, unplug the 2 harnesses from the back, plug the harnesses into the new supercharged driver, make sure to grease up the gaskets there on the new drivers just to make sure that they seat properly into the housing. And carefully install your new driver. Now you don't have to go super tight on these screws as they are screwing into plastic, but just make sure that they are snug and won't be going anywhere. Alright, so now that we're out here with the truck, we can go ahead and get started with the disassembly of the front end of our 21 F-150. Now the first thing we're going to go ahead and do here is tackle this radiator shroud cover here, pull out these push pins, and then of course move on to the grille. But before we move on to the grille, we got to take out this bezel here, and then the grille pretty much pops right out with a couple of bolts holding it in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the disassembly of the front end. Next, we can go ahead and remove these 4 10mm bolts here. Now let's go ahead and remove these 2 7mm screws here from either side of this trim bezel. Once that shroud's out of the way, you can go ahead and unplug some of these harnesses that are up here, as well as the hose here for the washer fluid sprayer that is up here in this grill. Now remove these last 2 8mm bolts here, and the grill should get its way out of there. Now holding these headlights in, there are 4 main pieces of hardware here. We basically have these 2 10mm bolts up top, a 8mm bolt right here, and then a 10mm nut over on this corner that you can't quite see until you get down there and look at it. There also is a push pin here that you will have to remove to get these headlights out, but other than that, they're pretty much straightforward on the coming out, so let's go ahead and get started here by removing this 8mm bolt and that 10mm nut, and then we'll move our way up to the top. Now with the headlights out of place, we can go ahead and unplug these harnesses here. Now the next few steps are going to completely depend on what headlights you had in the truck from the factory. This one here was equipped, as you guys saw, with those LED reflectors. So with that, we just want to follow Morimoto steps on how to get the rest of the harnesses installed here and make sure we install the correct harnesses to ensure that the headlights work correctly. Now per Morimoto's instructions, we do have to install one of these resistors here on each side when we install the headlight. So we'll go ahead and mount that where they stay to get those mounted here. Just one of them per side. They say to mount it because it is magnetic onto a frame rail here. So I see the frame rail, bam, that's stuck down there pretty good. That is not going to be going anywhere. Okay, and then that will go ahead and plug into the headlight when we get it near the truck. Now just before we install the headlights themselves, we do have to run one little harness here, and that is for those DRLs. And this gets run straight into the fuse box here. It comes with a fuse box tap. So let's go ahead and get over here to the fuse box and get this harness installed. So now that we're in the fuse box here, Morimoto wants us to pull the fuse from the number 25 slot, which is going to be this one right here, the one that I'm touching. So let's go ahead and get some needle nose pliers or a fuse puller tool if you have one to pull this out. Now we'll go ahead and pop in our fuse tap here that is supplied with the kit. Then we'll just route this out here to the front of the fuse box. Slap this cover back down. Now once that harness is ran, we can go ahead and plug in the harness here. Once we have that fuse tap installed, we can go ahead and run the harness here from each side of the headlights. Morimoto gives a pretty good picture of how to do this. They basically want you routing it underneath this radiator shroud here, over underneath this main cross member here, and into the rest of the harnesses there for the headlight. Underneath here. Now that we got all the harnesses that are necessary for our headlights installed, let's go ahead and get them plugged in and installed into the truck. So now we can just go ahead and slide these new Morimoto lights into their new home. So now we'll go ahead and reinstall all the hardware now that the headlight's in, and then we'll do the same exact on the other side. So now with the headlights all in, we can turn them on real quick just to test their functionality, and then we're gonna put the rest of the truck back together. Looks like both are working, so that's always a good sign. Do a little high beam test here. High beam does in fact work. Cool beans. All right, let's go ahead and get the rest of the truck back together. And that's gonna do it, guys. Those were Morimoto's brand new XB Evo LED headlights for the 2021 to 2023 F-150s, including the Raptor. Now, as you guys saw, the install was just as straightforward as we thought it would be. Just plug and play, one little wire to run into the fuse box. Other than that, everything else went super smoothly. It only took us about an hour to get these headlights installed. Of course, it may vary depending on your skill level and the tools you have available to you. The headlights themselves look amazing on the truck, and of course, paired with those 4-banger fog light kits there, they look even better. Now, to give you guys a proper comparison to how bright these puppies actually are compared to the factory headlights, let's go ahead and show you here. These are just your factory headlights on. Here are your high beams on. And now swapping over to the Morimoto stuff, here's headlights on, and then here's your high beams on. Now this is with the Supercharged driver installed. However, with the regular driver installed, you still are going to see a pretty noticeable brighter difference. If you guys have any questions or you want to grab a set of these headlights or any one of Morimoto's lighting products for the F-150 for your truck, feel free to click the links in our description. Reach out with us at 561-753-8105 or check us out at lethalperformance.com. This has been Joe with Lethal Performance, and I'm out of here.